I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make your iPhone LED flash for notifications. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever wanted your iPhone to give you a visual cue for notifications? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the flash for notifications on your iPhone, making sure you never miss an alert. This is great if you have hearing issues or if you just want another level of alert to make sure you don't miss important notifications. But first, I want to give a quick shout out to my channel sponsors on this screen. This content isn't possible without their support. And if this video helps you out, please consider either clicking the thanks button at the bottom of this video on desktop and mobile to make a small donation to support the channel, or consider using the link in the description to become a channel member where silver members and above get early access to my latest videos. Now let's walk through the steps to make your iPhone LED flash for notifications. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll land on your Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu until you find Accessibility and then tap Accessibility. The accessibility screen is shown. Step 3. Scroll down to the Hearing section and then tap Audio Visual. The Audio Visual menu is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down to the Visual section and then tap LED Flash for Alerts. The LED Flash for Alerts screen is shown. Step 5. Tap to toggle on LED Flash for Alerts. Step 6. Next, use the following options to choose whether you want your iPhone LED to flash for alerts when your iPhone is unlocked and when your device is in silent mode. Going forward, your iPhone LED will flash for notifications in accordance with your specifications. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.